Hi guys, I wanted to point out some software that I downloaded the other day. It helps me make some of my videos, and it helps me edit a lot of pictures, which is actually kind of a good thing. It's not for DSLR photo editing, it's for photo editing kind of like Photoshop. And I wanted to kind of give you a little bit of my review on it. And as you can see here, I made a clumsy move the other day. I was drinking some Big Red, and if you're not from the South, you probably don't know what Big Red is. It's a soft drink, and it's red. So I spilled some Big Red on the carpet the other day, and I can't make it disappear in real life. I scrubbed it, but when red stain gets into a light colored carpet, it's there to stay. So I spilled some red soda on my carpet the other day, and I took some pictures of a video that I made and happened to have my desk incorporated in that picture. Well, I kind of didn't want the red stain to be the focal point of the picture, so I took the red stain out. As you can see, this is what the red stain looks like. And then on this photo, there is no red stain. So that's one of the things I can do with it. And of course, it's like Photoshop. Let me show you something else I can do with it. As you can see in this picture, I got caught up in a vortex. Maybe I can get someone to come help me. But who can I get to come help me? Maybe I ought to call a doctor. See if we can get a doctor to come help me. You can also pull images out, again, like Photoshop. So it's going to work the same way. I'm just going to show you one more example of it. Again, for $50, I recommend it. I think it's highly worth it. It's a one-time fee. You don't have to pay this fee over and over again. Take a look at this photo here. It's going to be me holding my little R2 unit. And in this photo, it's me holding this little R2 unit inside of a covered porch area. And it's raining. So again, this is Affinity Photo. I don't work for them, but it helps me make some of my icons and some of my videos that I'm putting out here on YouTube. And I am going to tell you, this is a good thumbs up. I like it. It works well. It's only $50. And down below, I'm going to put a link so you could buy it yourself if you want to buy it or even try it. They have, I think it's a 7-day trial. And if you're used to Photoshop, it's going to be